Hey everyone, it's Ali here. I just got back from Cisco Live and I wanted to share some really exciting updates around Webex and cloud calling, especially if you're thinking about upgrading or modernizing your voice infrastructure. So this video is going to be focused on people who are training to be in unified communication, collaboration space, and have experience in IPT in the past and have worked from the voice perspective. And I think you guys will gain a lot from this video. So today I'll be walking you guys through what Webex and Webex cloud calling really are. I'm sure a lot of people don't know because Cisco has been using that word interchangeably with a lot of other ones. So I would like to explain what that really is. The second thing I'm going to be talking about is the core features that make it enterprise ready. And finally, what new updates Cisco just announced that might set it apart from other solutions in the market. So before we waste any further time, let's get started. So what is Cisco Webex? First, let's talk about Webex. Webex is just not a video conferencing tool. It's an end-to-end collaboration platform. It includes meetings, like for example, you've heard of Zoom, Teams, messaging like Slack, calling. Think of full-featured PBXs in the cloud and integration with devices, contact center, and AI features. It's built for the enterprise, meaning it focuses on security, scale, and hybrid work. So whether you're a team of 10 or global organization, Webex is designed to unify communication under one platform. Now let's talk about what is Webex cloud calling. Let's break it down. Traditionally, companies used on-prem PBX systems, physical servers to manage their business phone lines. Webex cloud calling replaces physical servers to manage their business phone lines. Webex cloud calling replaces that with a cloud-based phone system hosted and maintained by Cisco. Some of the key benefits like global availability in over 180 countries, no need for on-site hardware anymore, built-in integrations with Cisco phones, headsets, and soft clients, secure encrypted communications, and finally seamless mobile and desktop experience. You get all the enterprise-grade features, call transfer, IVRs, call recording, without maintaining the infrastructure. How better could it get, right? Okay, so now let's talk about Cisco Live. So I was out there in San Diego for Cisco Live for about a week, and our whole team was out there. So we all dove into our areas and kind of did some research to what is up and coming and what are the new trends, etc. So I would like to share some of that with you. So now that we understand the foundation, here's what Cisco just announced at Cisco Live that really pushes Webex cloud calling ahead. Number one, Webex AI Assistant for calling. Let's start with AI. Cisco is bringing AI capabilities natively in calling, not just meetings anymore. So what it is, a virtual assistant that can automatically summarize calls, provide real-time transcriptions, and even detect sentiment and intent during your calls. And why it matters for you? Because this takes call documentation, coaching, context sharing to the next level, especially for sales teams, customer service, internal call escalations, if you're on a call troubleshooting, so many other use cases. Second thing, Control Hub enhancements. Control Hub is the admin portal for managing your Webex environment. So what it really is a centralized dashboard to manage users, calling, licensing, devices, and troubleshooting issues. Now, what's new about it is Cisco has introduced real-time calling analytics, media quality monitoring, and proactive alerting. You can now drill into specific user experiences and troubleshoot instantly without needing to open tickets or log into multiple systems. Now imagine the amount of time you could save if you have that capability. Now let's talk about cloud connected PSTN extension. In cloud calling, connecting to the PSTN or public phone network is critical. Cisco allows you to choose from a list of certified PSTN providers or bring your own carrier, which is called BYOC, bring your own carrier model. So more providers and countries have been added to Cisco's cloud connected PSTN ecosystem, giving enterprises local presence, redundancy, latency, regulatory compliances, and without needing on-prem SIP trunks. which is a big stretch. Now let's talk about native Microsoft Teams integration. A lot of companies use Microsoft Teams for collaboration, but want Cisco reliability for calling. Cisco now provides a native calling integration inside Teams so users can initiate and receive PSTN calls directly from Teams interface, while Cisco handles the backend infrastructure. You keep your Teams user interface, but leverage Cisco's proven voice infrastructure underneath. It's a best of both worlds approach. Traditionally voice calls can now escalate into video calls instantly. No app switching, no hang up and dial in. It's all in one click. This helps teams collaborate more effectively without needing to schedule a formal meeting or move platform. For example, I'm on my client meetings all the time, and sometimes the client prefers to turn the video camera on, and it's just a click of a button and you just turn the video cam on instead of redialing it in and making sure your camera is on. So let's talk about survivability gateway enhancements. Branch survivability is key for large or distributed organization. Even if your internet connection goes down, local branch offices can still make internal and external calls using Cisco's local gateways and SRST, which is survivable remote site telephony capabilities. Cisco now offers smarter, more integrated cloud-aware SRST options, so you get better uptime and less disruptions in the hybrid environments. I think enough talking here. I think you guys get the point. Hope you took away something from this video, but some of my final thoughts. Webex cloud calling was already a strong player, but with these new updates, AI becomes more a real asset in everyday calling. Admins get more power and visibility. It plays nicer with Microsoft Teams, which a lot of people are already using. Finally, it offers better global coverage and survivability. So if you're still on an on-prem PBX, or if you are currently working with a cloud provider and that isn't delivering enterprise level reliability and features, Cisco's cloud platform is absolutely worth a second look. So here's what I need you guys to do. First of all, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Are you exploring a cloud calling migration? What features matter the most to your team? AI integration analytics, global coverage. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. That helps the algorithm tremendously so I could get more subscribers and I continue to make these type of videos. I'll keep sharing more insights from the world of collaboration and enterprise tech. Thanks for watching. My next video is going to be about contact center.